Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to combine parts in Onshape. So let's get started. First of all, click on Assembly 1 right here, and now what you'll need to do is click Insert and select the part that you was, was sketching and just put on your plane. After that, what you'll need to do is go to Owned by Me and select another part or the From document if you have there two parts, but I will select from the Owned by Me. So I will select this one, and right here I will see create a version in untitled document. Click yes, and right here you can name it, so it is V1 right now, and click create. This will create a version where you'll see two parts in one, and you'll be able to assemble that. So as you can see now it's loading, and you'll be able to just put a part, as you can see, like this. And basically now what you can do is put one on another. So how you can do that is basically by clicking and just moving that part, something like that, or just using another tools as, or you can use this slider mate feature. So basically select on your one part as you can see like this, and now what we'll need to do is select right here, and that will join two parts. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.